If your GMC Acadia refuses to start and makes a distinct whining noise, you are likely dealing with a starter motor failure. Statistical data shows that 80% of high-pitched ignition whines in this model are caused by the starter drive gear spinning freely. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to confirm if your starter is truly the culprit. Start by testing your battery voltage and cleaning the terminals, then listen closely to distinguish the whine from a simple click. The whine occurs because the starter gear isn't biting into the flywheel, often due to a stripped gear or missing teeth on the flywheel itself. Check your mounting bolts, as a loose starter can shift just enough to prevent proper gear engagement during the start sequence. You can handle the basic electrical checks, but replacing a starter on an Acadia often requires removing the intake, which might be shop territory. Costs vary wildly depending on whether you are just cleaning terminals or pulling the engine to reach a damaged flywheel. If simple fixes fail, use a borescope through the inspection port to check for missing flywheel teeth before committing to expensive parts. Before you start, make sure you have a quality multimeter and a solid set of sockets, and always wear your safety gear. Safety is paramount, so never skip disconnecting the negative battery terminal before you start working on any electrical components. If this guide helped you diagnose your Acadia, hit subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and keep your vehicle running smoothly.